Scottish is. Scottish is the first to laugh, the last to fall, the first to get back up. Scottish is iron will. It's iron brew. It's I, not yes. Scottish is walking 500 miles, then 500 more. It's making friends no matter who, or where, or when. Scottish is the highest mountains. Scottish is not English. It's salt and vinegar, or salt and sauce. Scottish is primals, and it's slam, and it's Paolo, and it's Franz, and it's Calvin, and it's Biffy. Scottish is good fighters, and even better lovers. Scottish is cheering 3-0 up, and even louder 3-0 down. It's the cities and the coast. Scottish is the best banter. Scottish is Kenny, and it's McLeish, and it's Fletcher, and it's Gemmell, and it's McCoist, and it's Burns, and it's Sir Alex. Scottish is pride in your clan. Scottish is that atmosphere. It's Barrowlands, King Tut's, it's Hampden, and it's Murrayfield. It's being blind to the cold and the wind and the rain. It's the most beautiful place on the planet. Scottish is snow in June. Scottish is deep fried. It's hardcore. Scottish is partying through the rain. It's the Highlands and the Islands. It's a dialect in every town. Scottish is bonny lassies with fire and ice in their blood. Scottish is getting together. It's the army of Tartan. Scottish is the loudest crowd. It's knowing when you're home. Scottish is this weekend on Radio 1. Scottish is tea in the park. Scottish is.